Happy Friday! So apparently today is International Donut Day and they are giving out free donuts at the Omni Hotel, so I'm just gonna go and park my car at work and then walk over across the city to go pick up some donuts. Weekend of June, I am about to head back to my parents so that I can celebrate my dad's birthday with the fam.
2 points.
I get 2 points.
Take 2 points. Give me 1.
I have 2 points.
Do you have something to say? 'Cause the feelings in my mind cannot escape. Would you ever take me? 'Cause my heart is all I carry. The feelings in my mind I cannot explain. Far away, there's places to see, and all the worries and the lies cannot see me. Could you ever take me? 'Cause my heart is all I carry. The feelings in my mind I cannot.
So I'm about to head to the gym to have my first ever official session with my personal trainer Danielle. I just decided to bite the bullet and, you know, invest into my health because I feel like I've kind of hit a plateau with my improvement. I really do want more muscle in especially my arms. So a couple of people from work invited me to the museum for Thursday night late nights, and even though I was at the Dallas Museum of Arts just last Friday, I am headed back today. But it's good because currently they have this like special Mexican collection, which I've heard, correct me if I'm wrong, that this is like the largest collection of Mexican works that has existed anywhere in like 50 plus years or something really long like that. So I've been wanting to see it, and I hear that the exhibition itself is not going to be open for much longer.
Find a way, find your way to me, 'cause I'm losing your touch and I miss you. What did I do to change how you look at me?
Good morning! It is a very rainy Friday here in Dallas, and today is pretty exciting because of this event called Puzzled Pint. It's not happening today, but it occurs once every month internationally, I believe, but primarily in cities across the US. It is just basically a gathering for people who enjoy puzzles. So it's pretty nerdy, I know, but my really good friend Melissa, she attended the one in New York and she really loved it. So I'm very hyped. I really love puzzles. Like, some of my all-time favorite video games are very highly puzzle based. So oh, it's like so hard to see.
Are you sure that we don't have to have an extra step?
Yeah. I don't know.
Oh, correct.
I just finished my second personal training session with Danielle and she totally killed my legs. I loved it. And now I'm headed out to one of my favorite cafes called The Wild Detectives. I've actually only been here once before, but I love the concept so much. They are a part cafe, part bookstore, and they just have a very hipster, trendy vibe, which totally reminds me of Austin, Texas, and I loved Austin so much. So yeah, they do weekends without Wi-Fi, and the last time I came was with a friend during the weekend, so that wasn't really much of a problem, but I want to get some work done today, so let's go.
So tail, I think this is graph 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah,
and then also, so we already decided that was rich.
이제 와서 널 남겨두고 떠나갈 순 없어. 떠나갈 밤이라면 먼저 보내주자.
Good morning and happy Friday. I am in such a great mood. The sun's out. I think I'm so elated just because of how good of an evening last night was, and today I am super hyped because the museum district is doing a block party and I'm gonna be hanging out with my girl Andrea, and also I convinced my little sister to come to downtown and sleep over tonight, so it's been such a good start to my birthday weekend. Situation update, I'm about to meet up with my friend in Lady Ego. I'm currently suffering like a mild headache, which is actually super rare for me, so I don't know what's happening. Hopefully it won't put a damper on this evening, but we're gonna head to Koreatown. Guess who I'm with? And then guess where we are?
Washington sounds nice. I'd like to visit the North Cascades. Break the habit of waking up to go to work and coming home to daydream of the days I want to remember. My head in your lap as I wait my turn to play our game. My head in.
Good morning, I am about to head over to my friend's house because I am house/pet sitting. It actually works out pretty well this weekend because I need to get some editing done for this June monthly vlog actually. inside the house all morning and I'm getting a little tired of sitting inside, so I'm going to take a little walk around. The weather's actually really nice today for mid to late June in Texas. I guess it's because of all the rain, but it's really beautiful. I'm currently on my way to meet up with a friend from college to catch up. She was actually my apartment mate during my senior year of uni. And that wraps up my June, as well as the second episode of my monthly vlog series, Love Where You Live, where I show you how I'm taking on my hometown, Dallas, Texas, in hopes to inspire you to do the same for wherever you live. Now, a couple of things I would like to mention that I didn't really show in my video was that, number one, for whatever reason, June was a really tough month on me mentally. June gloom was definitely in full bloom. Like, this was by far the rainiest, darkest, moodiest summer that I've ever experienced here in North Texas, and as someone who is very easily influenced by overcasted skies, yeah, that did not go very well for me. But June's over, so let's focus on the new. So what can you expect in July? On the second to last day of June, I actually broke my old phone. I've had this Nexus 5 for a little over 2 years, so actually for me that's quite an achievement because I'm rather clumsy. And near the end of its life, I could kind of tell that I no longer really cared about this phone anymore. It's getting more and more careless. I was dropping it more than I ever had, so I knew its end was coming, but I still love this phone to death. I am a huge Nexus loyalist. I've owned the 3 and now the 5, and of course the phone that I got right after, like almost immediately, was the 6P. This is by far like the largest phone I've ever owned, and I'm still not used to holding it yet. I got it because I heard that it's one of the best phones for vlogging, so that's what you can expect. Hopefully some clips from my phone. I did a little tester clip yesterday and the results seemed pretty good from the playback. Number 2, you can expect a postcard / travel vlog from my upcoming trip to Boston, where I will be visiting Jill and another really good friend from back in the day, Lita. If you have watched any of my past travel vlogs, then you may recognize Jill from my Rochester, New York trip from about 2 years back, and Lita from my Boston trip about 2 years back. I'm very excited about this. It was a very unexpected trip because originally this was supposed to be a trip up to New York City to pick up Melissa to do a road trip over to Pennsylvania for the first music festival that Melissa and I were ever gonna go to. But I think I just have really bad luck with music festivals because like as soon as we bought the tickets, about a week later the music festival canceled. Fortunately it wasn't a scam because we were quite worried that we had been scammed, but we were refunded quite painlessly. But I had already booked my flight up to New York City, and I was just in New York about 3 months ago visiting Melissa, so I thought, hey, I haven't been to Boston in 2 years and Jill's been wanting to show me her new apartment, so why not just buy really cheap bus tickets to go up. And last but not least, you can expect more Chinese, or rather Mandarin. Well, I say more as if I've already been speaking Mandarin, but I mean now you can expect integration of Mandarin Chinese into my future videos because I just turned 23 and I swear to myself that this is going to be the year that I learn Mandarin to fluency. I've tried many times in the past. If you are trying to learn a foreign language, please leave a comment down below sharing with me your motivations, your resources, like I just want to know your goals and how are you keeping yourself accountable. Well, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching as always, and if you were able to find any source of inspiration or if I was just able to make you smile, then please hit the like. I would much appreciate it, and if you subscribe, I will see you in the next adventure. Bye!